Since Valve's Steam Deck allows PC gaming to be played on the go, the handheld gaming market has become increasingly fascinating. How does the recently released Steam Deck OLED model compare to the Nintendo Switch OLED that was released a year ago? Let's explore. In terms of design, both handhelds have a similar layout with controls on both sides of the screen and comfortable ergonomics for extended handheld play sessions. The Steam Deck OLED weighs 640 grams compared to the Switch OLED at 420 grams, making the Switch noticeably lighter. However, the Steam Deck's superior ergonomic design with contoured grips and buttons makes it comfortable to hold despite its higher weight. The Switch OLED has detachable Joy-Cons on each side, along with a kickstand on the back. The Joy-Cons enable flexible multiplayer gaming wherever you are. The kickstand allows convenient tabletop mode play. The Steam Deck is a singular unit relying on its built-in controls. The Steam Deck does offer players more flexibility with fully customizable controls, rear paddles, trackpads, and gyro controls. Overall, from a design perspective, both these handhelds feature different layouts. However, if you are into a lightweight handheld, then Switch OLED can be your option. As for the display, both these OLED handhelds offer vibrant 7 inches range OLED displays. The Steam Deck OLED's 7.4 inches screen provides 1280 by 800 resolution, 90 Hz refresh rate, HDR, and 1000 nits peak brightness. The Switch OLED counteracts with a 7 inches 1280 by 720 resolution OLED, up to 480p docked resolution, standard 60 Hz refresh rate, and no HDR. The Steam Deck clearly has a more advanced display with higher resolution, refresh rate, and brightness. This gives it an advantage for clarity and smooth gameplay. However, the Switch OLED's display still looks great despite its limitations, especially for Nintendo first-party games not reliant on high frame rates. Overall, the Steam Deck OLED wins out here for display technology. When it comes to processing power, the Steam Deck OLED handily beats the Switch OLED. The Steam Deck uses a custom 6nm Zen 2 Armenian DRAM APU with RDNA2 graphics. This provides powerful PC-level performance capable of running the latest AAA games. Comparatively, the Switch OLED uses a dated NVIDIA Tegra X1 chip based on ARM architecture. This allows gameplay up to Wii U levels at best, with graphics quality and performance significantly below the Steam Deck. There is no contest here, with the Steam Deck OLED massively outpacing the Switch OLED, thanks to its custom AMD chip. Now, if we take a look at the game library, Steam Deck grants access to your full Steam game library, which opens the doors to thousands of AAA, indie, and retro PC titles. You can play popular games like Elden Ring, God of War, Apex Legends, Cyberpunk 2077, and many more. The Steam Deck is also compatible with game stores like Epic and GOG. Meanwhile, the Switch OLED can only play titles specifically designed for the platform. However, Nintendo's titles are highly optimized for the Switch and offer extremely polished gameplay and mechanics. First-party exclusives like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Super Mario Odyssey, and Splatoon 3 are considered some of the best and most influential games of the generation. The depth of Nintendo's iconic franchises can't be matched on Steam Deck. Still, the Steam Deck's openness to PC games makes it the winner for overall library size and compatibility. Looking at extra features, the Steam Deck stands out for its versatility. It doubles as a full handheld PC for browsing the web, watching videos, using creative apps, and more. The Nintendo Switch OLED also offers great versatility through the Joy-Cons, which can be used independently for local multiplayer or attached to other accessories like the Ring Fit and Mario Kart wheels. The IR motion camera enables unique gameplay opportunities, and Nintendo Labo Toy-Con integration provides engaging DIY accessories. The Steam Deck also enables advanced graphics settings tweaks for each game, fully customizable controls, and universal compatibility with USB and Bluetooth accessories, given its broader general computing features as a PC. The Steam Deck OLED edges out the Switch OLED, but the Switch OLED's Joy-Cons, motion controls, and Labo integration provide meaningful gameplay versatility that the Steam Deck lacks. Battery life is similar on both handhelds and can vary greatly depending on game intensity and display setting. Nintendo estimates 3-7 hours on the Switch OLED. Similarly, Valve claims the Steam Deck OLED lasts between 3-12 hours on a charge depending on usage. Real-world results may differ, but overall battery life should be comparable. Neither has a strong advantage in this area. In the end, the new Steam Deck OLED easily beats the Nintendo Switch OLED when it comes to performance, game library, features, and general hardware prowess. However, Nintendo's exclusive games and highly polished first-party titles keep the Switch OLED appealing in its own right. It comes down to game library preference and portability needs. The Steam Deck OLED is the superior technical device, while the Switch OLED offers great lightweight portable gaming specialized for Nintendo content. For those wanting maximum power and flexibility, the Steam Deck OLED is likely the way to go, but Nintendo fans get enjoyment from the Switch too.